Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 12 system special head unit for Toyota Tacoma 2014 to 2023 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Here is the shipping box, very big. This compass and the connector. This head unit. Okay, let me show honey set first. This special harness comes with head unit. You can check there. This is a radio canvas decoder box, canvas decoder and antenna, radio antenna, and connector. Okay, there is K1 GND for the steering wheel controls. This AMP wire for amplifier. Okay. And it comes with this 4G antenna, and GPS antenna. And there are two USB cable external microphone. And this cam input and original USB and AUX input, left and right video input, and subwoofer. You can check subwoofer as a type, and audio out, left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show how do you need. Okay, you can check back of head unit. This is 4G SIM card slot. You can check their SIM card slot, 4G SIM card slot. And this is power fuse and radio antenna. This is 4G antenna, GPS antenna, audio out, USB and other connection. This 4G SIM card slot. Okay. Okay, let me connect the power on back of head unit. Okay, the head unit will start. Okay. You can check the head unit. Okay, please tear off this screen protector before using. And this button colors, or this theme style colors, you can change it, and all apps are here. Very fast response, you can check, and built in the Play Store, Google Navigation, Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And Bluetooth, DSP, and radio. This is factory information. Okay, back this volume. Let me check the settings. About device, you can check the Android version, Android 12 system. Okay. And network, you can connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, connected. You can visit our website belsee.com. Okay, and let me check the other settings. There are SIM card slots. You can put the SIM card, 4G SIM card, get the 4G network. This is the reset, boot logo, and other settings. Display this button lights. You can change the button lights. Blue, any color, you can adjust this panel. Okay, and theme style, there are total of 8 theme style. Okay, and about device, you can check the Android version, Android 12, DDR 8GB, and the storage 128GB. Okay. And storage total 128GB. Memory, total memory 8GB. System, look and add the all languages, already built the all languages. Okay. And instructions, do not watch video. You need to set it in the settings. Find the settings about device, put the password, Click OK and change it with 0 and save. Android 12 system. Okay, let me check again. Instructions. This user manual already built in the system. Okay. And built in the YouTube. Okay, and okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please. This APK installer. This auto-link, you can install the auto-link in the APK installer. Auto-link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android. Okay, that's all. Thank you.